things not going so well? Do you sometimes feel as if you're all tied up with nowhere to go? Then do what the Fraggles do. Play all day long. Dance your cares away. With the newest Fraggle Rock DVD, Dance Your Cares Away.
What was that?
Dance Your Cares Away from your friends at Hit Entertainment.
Down at Fraggle Rock.
Is everyone ready to play?
Then let the games begin.
The sky is blue way up above.
Roll, roll, roll the ball. Try to hit the pins.
We're gonna have fun. It's a beautiful sunny day. Let's jump and sing. We can do anything. It's a fun, fun sunny day.
Get ready, get set, get moving with Barney in Ready, Set, Play. Now available from Hit Entertainment.
This is a story of a charming little mouse who dares to dream big.
Angelina Mousling, famous star and prima ballerina.
Angelina practices her twirls and pliés and arabesques over and over. Her best friend Alice is by her side in good times and bad.
Alice, you really are the cleverest best friend in the whole world.
And her ballet teacher, Miss Lily, guides the little star's passion as she dances toward her dreams.
Well done, everyone.
Sometimes she can be a little feisty.
Do it my way and we'll have the audience in tears.
But when Angelina takes center stage, she gets rave reviews. Look for Lights, Camera, Action, and other Angelina Ballerina products. Available now from your friends at Hit Entertainment.
Move, JJ! Don't move! I'll be right over!
What's the matter, Bob?
JJ needs help!
And so does Mr. Bentley.
Come on, team!
Can we fix it?
Yes, we can!
And sometimes Bob and Spud need help.
Whoa, what's happening? Help! Get me down! Help! Help!
But everyone knows the fun is in getting it done. Help is on the way with Bob the Builder. Now available on DVD and VHS from Hit Entertainment. This is moving full steam ahead for the big celebration.
I can't wait for the grand opening. There's going to be flags and a big band.
But is there trouble around the bend?
Cinders and ashes, cried Thomas. The troublesome trucks are heading for the new station, and they're going too fast.
Will Thomas make it in time to save the new station and the celebration? Hop on board with Thomas as he makes tracks to great destinations in Thomas Sodor Celebration from Hit Entertainment. Singing and dancing and wiggling live from Australia. It's Murray and Greg and Anthony and Jeff. See the Wiggles live hot potatoes. Now available from Hit Entertainment.
Meet Kipper.
Ouch!
Kipper the dog.
What shall I do today?
Tiger.
I know. Let's go to the park.
He's Kipper's friend.
Hello. It's here, Kipper. It's here.
Kipper's new videos are here.
Oh, Kipper, come and see.
And you must see them.
Wow!
In Tiger Tales, the pals go skating. And camping. And swimming. Then, in pools, parks, and picnics, the pals, well...
Wow! Ants, Tiger! Ants!
Oh, ow, 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 ew, ew, oh.
let's just say they become one with nature. They call him Kipper the dog. Look for Kipper. Now on home video from Hit Entertainment. Silly has a brand new address. And it's ToddWorld.
Hi, I'm Todd, and this is my world. Have you ever eaten macaroni and cheese in the bathtub? Or taken an amusement park ride on a giant milkshake?
Cannonball!
Neato Mosquito, these are my friends. This is Pickle.
Back up. Can't forget that we're meanies.
He takes his pet worms with him everywhere. This is Stella.
I will be the star of the show. The queen of diamonds.
She likes being the center of attention.
We begin.
This is Sophie. When her pigtails move up and down real fast, she can fly. And this is my dog Benny.
Check it out.
He plays a pretty mean pair of sticks.
And silly's just the half of it, because in ToddWorld you'll also learn lots of smart stuff. Like foot tracing. How to build a squirrel house with monkey underpants.
Monkey underpants?
And that it's okay to be short
Winner for smallest elephant.
or tall.
Winner for biggest mouse.
Todd and his friends are now on DVD and VHS from Hit Entertainment. You'll also find them soon in lots of fun books from Little Brown and Company. Make ToddWorld your newest fun place. ToddWorld. Very silly, very smart.